pizza without a dough. Are you joking? No dear, this is actually a no-dough personal pan pizza and you're going to just love it. So let's begin with it. Wait and wash. I am preparing a quick marinara sauce. For that I have taken tomato puree, dropped some crushed garlic into it and some salt goes in it and give it a magic mix and my quick and easy marinara sauce is prepared. No rolling, kneading, nothing. I am going to simply grease a personal pan dish. I love cheese. What about you? I am dropping dollops of cheese into this personal pan and simply press it a bit. Dropping some health in it. I am dropping a flour of mixed seeds and some color. White looks dab or drab as it is. So some redness with the marinara sauce is dropped inside it. I like my pizza with some colorful capsicums. Yes, I'm dropping some colorful capsicums into it. Red, yellow, green. If you don't have, you can add any one or two or three. Whatever you have, you can add those. And some mushiness with the mushrooms. I like my pizza with some onions. So dropping some onions into it. Wait, some more extra onions would give a lovely flavor to this pizza. My vegetables are looking drab, so I am bathing them with some marinara sauce again. That you can add extra if you like it. I am adding a little bit. And some more cheese over it. Here I am using the cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese even. And dropping some tires. Yes, car tires. No, actually I'm dropping some olives. My nephew calls it tires, so I'm also calling it tire. And some pizza mix into it. Ooh, my pizza plate is ready for grilling. I'm going to simply grill it for 10 minutes. My pizza is being grilled and I'm thinking what to have with it. Should I go for a mojito or for a lemonade? What do you suggest? My pizzas are done. I have taken it out. Isn't it looking gorgeous? It's a no guilt. It's a no dough pizza. But actually it's a no guilt pizza because it does not have any those sticky, spongy, stretchy dough inside it. Instead it has sticky, stretchy cheese in it. If you like my idea of cooking, then do follow me on my channel Magic in My Food on YouTube, or you can press the button below.